using the TI-83 84 Plus calculator for the sign test. This video uses the example titled, "Is there a difference between measured and reported weights?" The TI-83 84 Plus calculator does not have a built-in function dedicated to the sign test, but it is easy to use the calculator's binom CDF function to find the p-value for a sign test. The binom CDF function uses the binomial probability distribution for finding the probability of X or fewer successes. Begin by using the sample data to assign positive and negative signs and discard any zeros. Let the test statistic X equal the count of the less frequent sign, and let N equal the number of positive and negative signs combined. In this example, we refer to Table 13-3 titled Measured and Reported Male Weights. For this data, we find 6 positive signs, 3 negative signs, and 1 zero. Based on these data, the test statistic X equals the count of the less frequent negative sign, which is 3. N equals the number of positive and negative signs combined, which is 6 plus 3 equals 9. Remember, we discard the 1 zero in this example. Let's return to the calculator. Open the DISTR or distribution menu on the TI-83 84 Plus calculator by pressing the second key, then the There's key. The highlighted item appears as white text in a black box. Use the arrow keys to select the menu item binom CDF, which stands for Binomial Cumulative Density Function. Press Enter. You can also press the alpha key, then apps key for the letter B to access this function. The blinking cursor indicates the highlighted item. Press Enter after each entry to move to the next item. Enter the number of trials N found earlier. In this example, we enter 9. For P, always enter 0.5 for the sign test. For X value, enter the count of the less frequent sign found earlier. In this example, we found X equals 3. Paste is now highlighted as indicated by the blinking cursor. Press Enter. Some TI-83 84 Plus calculators will not display the binom CDF menu that was just used. If this is the case, with the binom CDF command on the screen, enter the following: number of positive and negative signs, probability, count of the less frequent sign. In this example, we enter 9, 0.5, 3. In both cases, press Enter to display the result, which is the probability of getting X or fewer successes among N trials. Double this value for two-tailed tests. The calculated result is the p-value for the sign test, which is 0.2539 rounded. In this example, we are using a two-tailed test, so we double the result to get a p-value of 0.5078 rounded. The p-value is greater than the significance level of 0.05, so we fail to reject the null hypothesis of no difference. In other words, we conclude that there is not sufficient evidence to reject the claim that for males, there is no difference between measured weights and reported weights.